Hi, Bud Pike here. See, I just wanted to give a shout out to my mentor, Vic Streises. He's the founder of 4%, and I've been with him since 2016. I've learned an awful lot about how to market products online, and he's actually done something I didn't think he'd do, and that is he's come up with a way to open this up to the masses for getting a blueprint of how you can market your product online. And it doesn't matter what you're doing. You could be selling water machines like I do, or actually I do a little bit of doTERRA. Got a lot of little irons in the fire, but anyways, what this is about is I wanted to show you what he's got going on. He's got this blueprint that he's literally giving away, and with that, you can also purchase for a small fee. I think it's under $100. You can get an education on how to apply this system with this system here. How to apply that and sell whatever it is you're going to sell. You could sell insurance. You could sell anything that you've got going online where you're trying to get traffic to a product. This is the system that you need to have in place in order to make that really happen. He also has a rather expensive course that goes above and beyond the short course that we're taking. I'm enrolled in that, and there's a lot of stuff to learn in that. But you should at least download this. It's a free copy of this blueprint, and check it out. And then check out the very inexpensive training on how to use that. And of course, if you want to upgrade to something more, that might be what you could call the catch of this. But actually, you can take this blueprint and go anywhere and say, hey, do this for me. Get a digital marketer or something that can take that your system and build it for you. But anyways, download it, get it for free. I mean, that's worth it's worth a lot. It's a good gold nugget. So anyways, I'm messing this up, but anyways, I wanted to get out here and say, get this thing, man, before it goes away. All right, take care.